GoPro is in trouble. In recent years, they've been threatened by bankruptcy. They've had to fire employees and they've made a terrible investment. While on the other hand, Insta360 is growing at a dazzling rate, bringing ingenious marketing strategies to the table. And could they possibly take out GoPro? Well, let's find out. So I'm sure you've heard of this camera. It's called a GoPro, and everyone pretty much knows about them because they're the first to bring an action camera into the world, and I have always known about them since I was a little kid, and I have had every single GoPro from the GoPro 6 all the way up to the GoPro Hero 11, which is about to be the 12, and I have loved them. They have amazing image quality, they're small, they're compact, they're durable, and there's just so many things to love about the GoPro. However, Insta360 has just started to become a big brand, and the way that they're attacking this is ingenious. So instead of going directly and making a GoPro Hero camera, but Insta360 version, which would kind of make it feel like the Insta360 was a fake GoPro, instead they have come out with 360 cameras and just become a master at it, making it seem like the GoPro Max is a step down from Insta360 cameras. Then they come out with a miniature camera, the Insta360 Go, Go 2, Go 3, and I think that might even take a couple of sales away from the GoPro Hero line, but it's another camera that Insta360 has that GoPro doesn't. And then you have the One RS, which is a modular action camera, which did take a little dab at the GoPro because you could configure it into a way where it could compete with a GoPro, and Insta360 just kind of keep on surrounding GoPro with all these cameras, just not going directly head to head with GoPro, which again, I think is ingenious. And now if Insta360 does end up launching a camera to compete directly against the GoPro Hero, it's not gonna be like a fake GoPro because people already know about Insta360, which will get Insta360 a lot more sales on the camera that they will launch. That's also not to mention that Insta360 has phone stabilizers, webcams, and professional 360 cameras, and just so much more amazing products. However, GoPro has another major problem, and that's DJI. DJI has made the DJI Action 3, which goes head to head with the GoPro Hero 11, and a lot of people say that the Action 3 is better. Now, there's still a bunch of people that say the GoPro Hero 11 is better, but the fact that people say the Action 3 is better means that some sales are going to be going, instead of people buying this, are going to be buying the Action 3, which is taking away sales from GoPro, which is not good. So it's like GoPro is getting surrounded by Insta360 cameras, so it can't really expand. And then you have DJI making one camera that's directly competing against the GoPro. However, there is some hope for GoPro, but before I get into that, if you could just hit that subscribe button and like button, I would really appreciate it. I post videos about tech every single day, so go hit those two buttons. And now the hope for GoPro. While I do see Insta360 continue to grow at their dazzling rate, I do see hope for GoPro because they continue to focus on making their cameras just the best they possibly can. They have the name. GoPro is just such a well-known name. They can keep on creating amazing cameras and expand to some new categories. I think GoPro will definitely still stay in business. However, if they continue to just release one camera and they don't really try to expand, I don't know if they're going to go into bankruptcy, but I do think that they're going to continue to get smaller. That's my take on GoPro versus Insta360. If you want to see these two cameras compared, hit this video here and I will see you there.